Business intelligence and Power BI. Before we talk about Power BI, let's first understand why organizations need business intelligence. So let me start with a simple question. How many of us prepare Excel reports every week or receive Excel reports through email every week or the other week or in a month? Let's be sure that almost everyone has worked with Excel reports at some point or the other. In fact, almost every organization starts its reporting journey with Excel. So initially, Excel works very well when there is one project, when there is a small team, when there is limited stakeholders, when there are few reports. Excel is simple, flexible and easy to use. But as the organization grows, things begin to change. Now imagine the organization has multiple projects running simultaneously. Multiple Scrum Masters preparing sprint reports, delivery managers tracking project health, product owners reviewing progress, leadership expecting executive dashboards, different teams maintaining separate Excel files, and there are sales teams, marketing teams, HR teams, those who need data to be converted into business intelligence. So the reporting becomes much more challenging. And so every reporting cycle usually looks something like this. Exporting data from Jira, exporting data from the tool, any of the tool that may be, and download into Excel files, download into CSV files, copy them and paste them, update the formulas, create pivot tables, build charts manually, verify the numbers, send reports through email, weekly basis, bi-weekly, every month, in a quarter, and make corrections when someone finds an issue, and the same thing repeat the same process next week, every week. And this becomes a repetitive manual effort. And the common challenges in the organizations is that they start facing several problems like reporting. Manual reporting takes hours to prepare. Multiple versions of the same report exist throughout the organization. Manual errors become common and different teams, report different numbers, and historical trend analysis becomes difficult. Stakeholders wait for reports instead of accessing them instantly, and so the decision making slows down. So instead of analyzing the business, people spend most of their time preparing these reports. So this is where business intelligence comes into the picture. Business intelligence or BI is much more than creating just reports. It is the process of collecting data. It is a process of integrating data. It is a process of cleaning and transforming the data, analyzing the information, presenting meaningful insights. The goal is simple. It converts raw data into meaningful business insights that support faster and better decision makings. In other words, business intelligence transforms data into decisions. So we also try to learn what is Power BI. Power BI is nothing but is a Microsoft business intelligence platform. It enables organizations to connect to multiple data sources, transform and clean the data, build a centralized data model, create interactive dashboards, share reports securely across the organization, and monitor business performance in real time. Instead of working with static Excel files, users can interact with live dashboards. They can filter data, they can drill down into details, they can compare the trends and answer business questions instantly. So the real world example is let me share a practical example from our engineering delivery team. Earlier, reporting involved exporting Jira data, updating multiple Excel files, creating pivot tables and charts, validating the numbers, sharing reports through email, and the entire process took considerable manual effort every reporting cycle. After implementing this Power BI, the same information is now available through interactive dashboards. Stakeholders can access the latest reports wherever they are. If they have the access, they can filter the information, they can analyze sprint performance, they can analyze the sales trends, review the capacity, allocations, and monitor delivery metrics all from a single platform. And this allows team to spend less time preparing reports and more time making informed decisions. And the key message here is, if there is one thing I want everyone to remember from this session is it Excel helps us store and organize data. Business intelligence helps us understand the data. Power BI transforms that understanding into actionable insights through interactive, automated, and enterprise-ready dashboards.